This room is so plain. I need a total makeover. I want a magical princess bed, sparkling high heels, and a gorgeous party dress. And of course, everything must be pink. Time to get creative and design the room of my dreams. With layers of tulle and shimmering sequins. And of course, it needs a pink bow to complete the look. I love it! My dream dress is finally ready. Look at these! They're so cute! Okay, let's start with the bed. I'll need pink silk fabric, white lace, and a sparkling canopy. This bed has to be fit for a princess. This princess bed is everything I imagined. Soft, sparkly, and full of magic. Next, time to make some glamorous high heels to match. I want these shoes to sparkle like diamonds. I'll add glitter, diamond-like gems, and a few red ruby stones to make them extra special. Look at these! They're so cute. Perfect for a princess like me. heels, and dress. This room is truly fit for a princess. Everything is so pink and sparkly, just the way I wanted. I can't wait to throw a party tonight and show off my new look. Glitter, my heels sparkle like stars, and my dress makes me feel like a real princess. I'm ready for the best party ever. Let's get this princess party started!